Hey everyone, welcome back to DGLEE Films. Today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, camera angles. Let's get into it. The power of camera angles. First off, camera angles are a very powerful storytelling tool. The way you position your camera can completely change how the audience feels about a scene or character. For example, using a high angle shot looking down at your subject makes them appear small, weak, or vulnerable. If you want to emphasize the downfall of a character, this angle can highlight their defeat and sense of powerlessness. On the other hand, the low angle shot where you look up at your subject is perfect for making someone seem powerful, intimidating, or even heroic. Superhero movies often feature this angle to emphasize the dominance and strength of a character. Next, we have the Dutch angle, where the camera is tilted to one side. It's a bit unconventional, but it's great for creating a sense of unease or tension. If you're filming a suspenseful moment or want the audience to feel unsettled, try using this angle. The beauty of camera angles is that they aren't one size fits all. Play around with them to see what works for your story. But remember, every angle has a purpose. Ask yourself, what do I want the audience to feel in this moment? And choose your angle accordingly. But don't forget to experiment. There are so many different ways to angle your shot. Effectively utilizing camera angles, along with some of the lighting techniques mentioned in episode 4 of the tutorials and tips series, can help convey the scene exactly the way that you want. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you on your videography journey. Let me know which camera angle is your favorite in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more content. I will see you on the next one.